Maybe like floating up here. Maybe like a little crescent moon up here? I don't know. I'm just, do you not call a bald spot hair? Do you not call a bald spot a moon? No. Heh? Moon one, sun the other? Ooh, fun. I like that, Dana. It's the butt, yeah. Disco ball. It's okay, Winks. I just hadn't heard of it. It's a new one on me. You call a bald spot a moon? That's cute. Like, you use it in a sentence. That could be cute. Are you drawing a potato hawk? No. I'm drawing a red-breasted merganser with a moon. With a little moon. Yeah. The only moons I know of are in space and or butts. True. True, true, true. Yeah, we call showing your ass mooning. First fly on the moon said when a fly lands on someone's bald head. Okay. Hilarious. This is a moon? Oh. Yeah, I get you. I get you. Oh, gotcha, Hylocomium. Yeah, no worries. It's kind of merganser. I hardly know her. The Eye Child, welcome in. Maybe let's just start with that totally threw me off. That's extremely funny. No, you're good. Everything's fine. Maybe links, but it's not a big deal. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm gonna try to hold this up so you can see. She's just like kind of holding her wing out and got a little moon up there. Could be cute. Could be cute. Moon. Yeah. A Luna moon. Also, I think I need to add her other foot. Just sort of like peeking out back here. Yeah. Her proportions are not quite perfect, but I really just kind of want to draw and paint. So I'm not gonna labor over that too much. You know? She's just cute. Oh, Ryan, it's okay. I hope you and Keith have fun. And do cool shit and eat good food and have nice times. I love you. Thanks, Big Sody. Thanks, Big Sody. Alright. I actually also need a BRB because I have not had one yet. So, bye. Hang out with the birds and their little Totoro leaf for a minute. And, I'm gonna get some water. And we'll do a Nina treat when I get back. And just enjoy the wind and the burbs and the jazz. And I'll be back real soon. Okay.